beautiful. What section is it?
Well done. Why has everyone stopped? Is it the ducks again? The ducks were crossing the road earlier.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cute.
So we all stopped and the lady got out and
Ushered them across.
chuffed them across the road.
Oh, I know the ducks there, they're so cute.
Yeah.
They always choose like a really
Oh, they are there,
strange
look.
time.
Oh, they are.
They
Yep.
are there,
Oh,
look.
there they go.
They're going home.
Oh.
Right in front of us.
Aww.
Oh, cute.
Yeah, the ducklings.
Oh, it's really cute.
Again.
Flagging my favourite Christmas tune.
Yeah. Which was what?
White Christmas by Otis Redding.
Oh, that's right, yeah.
Best song you ever heard.
It is, apart from when it's got to be sung by Bing Crosby, not Otis Redding.
He played it through the roundabout
Yeah.
on his phone. Whoa! Fucking hell!